Hello friends, welcome to SAP Knowledge Transfer channel. Today's session is SAP MO Stock Transfer Order. It's called as STO process. Before going to session, like and share my video. If you have any doubt or query, feel free to comment. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. What is stock transfer order? It is used for plant to plant transfer of goods. So what is prerequisites? Material should exist in both plants, delivering plant and also ordering plant. Type of stock transfer STO, intra STO, inter STO. Intra STO mean if two plants within the same company code, it will be used intra STO. There is no billing for that. Inter STO, if you have two plants in two different company code, it should be using inter STO. So there is coming here must required for billing process. Stock transfer, there are three types of we have using. One step method using by 301 movement, two step method using by 303 and 305 method. Another one stock transfer PO process. So stock transfer PO process is we have one company code 0154. The one company code having two plant PHP1, PHP2. One is for supplying plant, one is for receiving plant. So receiving plant create the stock transfer order PO to supplying plant. So PO provided to supplying plant by receiving plant. The supplying plant pick the material, then make the PGI. PGI means post goods issue. Then issue the material to receiving plant. Receiving plant receive the material. This is the STO process for intra company. Let's see practically. First request is it material should be external both plants. Now we have the materials. In that I will take 2887 material available only for plant 1 KUP plant KUP1. So I will extend the material to plant 2 through using T code of MM01. Given the material here also, then click the material from copy from material, same material, click which are the field views required, you select that. Here given the plant 2 UP2 storage location 001, copy from KUP1 storage location 001. It will be their material already exists in the extended. This all details captured from the plant 1 material. Now material will extended to plant 2. You can see MM60. I will given for 2 plant. Here 2887 available KUP1 and KUP2. Now we see the first method. Go to Migo, the one step process. Select the transfer posting. Movement type is 301. 301 means transfer posting plant to plant one step. For material number 2887 plant KUP1 storage location 001. KUP2 001. Before make the transfer, we'll check the system stock how much available. 001 location. There is a no stock. First we will make the stock now. Okay. For transfer posting, there is no stock in system, so I will take another material. It's available in 2867. We'll check the stock now. The stock available 100 number. So I will take this material for transfer posting. So now I will transfer the quantity 10 number. We see the same material. Both the plant. KUP1, KUP2. So now see the stock. That KUP plant 1 having 100 number, plant 2 270 number. Now I going to transfer 10 quantity plant 1 to plant 2. So now 10 number. Check document is okay. Now document was posted. Now check the stock. You now that become quantity 90 in plant 1. Here plant 2 it will increase to 80. Check the stock. This is already done that one step method. Now we can do the two-step method. Go to Migo, transfer posting, movement type 303. 303 mean stock transfer posting plant to plant, removing from storage. So it will be removing from the storage. KUP1 201. Here KUP2 201. The quantities I will mention 20 quantity. Yes. Here post. So now what will happen after posted? You check the stock. Till nothing. The 20 number removed from plant 1, but it will not be come to plant 2. Why? Because this is in transit. So we will check here stock in transit. Stock transfer plant. This 20 number available in transit. Now what we do? Going to receiving plant. Yes, plant 2 will receive the material 20 quantity using movement type of 305. The 305 mean transfer posting plant to plant, place in the storage, means receiving the goods. Material number, plant, KUP. Here mention the plant 2, storage location 0001. Quantity, we transferred quantity is 20 number. I will say. Now we see that stock is 280. After posting, you see that what will happen. Document was posted. Now check that. Now that 280 increased, that's a 300. Here there is a no stock in the transfer. This is all received in the plant 2. So these are the two-step method. Now we go to see that STO purchase order method. Go to ME21N. Is right the PO type, purchase order type, stock transfer order. You see the difference? If ME21 enter is in, here is asking vendor. Okay, after changing the stock transfer order, it will change to supplying plant. Our supplying plant is KHP1, means sorry, KUP1. Plant 1 will supply the material. Purchasing organization, KUPO, purchasing group, company code I will mention. Then item category should be in U, means stock transfer. Give the material number 2867, our material number. PO quantity I will give 50 number. The receiving plant KUP2. Plant 2 will receive the material. Storage location 0001. I will give the delivery date on coming Monday. Save the PO. Yes, save the document. Purchase order will created. Note down the purchase order number. After creation of purchase order, the order sent to supplying plant by the receiving plant. The supplying plant pick the material. They will make the PGI through T code of MB1B. Movement type is 351. Plant storage location. Click on to purchase order. Give our receiving plant purchase order number. Click Adobe plus details. It is showing the quantity, how much quantity they are required. So enter, saved. Now the document was posted. You can see this stock on this in plant 2 KUP2. The 50 number come in the on order stock, which is done PGI. It will come to plant 2 on order stock. Now plant 2 will receive the material using by T code MIGO. PO number mentioned here. Plant should be in the 2, which is ordering party. Enter. They ask 50 number. Mention the 50 number. Post the GRN. Now check the stock. Plant 2. It will increase 350. There is a no on order stock. Already goods received by receiving plant. These are the STO PO process. So this is overall stock transfer order process. I hope this is useful for you. Like and share my video. If you have any doubt or query, please feel free to comment. Please subscribe my channel, press bell icon. Let's see next video.